Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix audio problems in Zoom meetings. If Zoom is not picking up your voice during a meeting, one of the most common causes is that your computer's microphone permissions are turned off. In this walkthrough, we'll check those settings so your device can allow Zoom to use the microphone properly. To begin, open your computer settings. This is where you can manage your system preferences, including privacy options that control which apps are allowed to access your hardware. If you are troubleshooting audio, this is an important place to start because even if your microphone is connected and working, Zoom may still be blocked from using it. Once you're in Settings, search for Privacy and Security. This section contains the permissions for your camera, microphone, location, and other system features. Opening the correct settings area helps you go straight to the controls that affect Zoom audio. From there, scroll down until you find microphone. Take your time here since the list may include several different permission categories. The microphone section is the one that determines whether applications on your computer can listen for audio input from your device. Click on Microphone to open the full microphone permissions page. This page gives you a closer look at whether access is enabled at the system level. If microphone access is disabled here, apps like Zoom will not be able to hear you, even if everything else appears to be set up correctly. Now click on the option for Let Apps Access Your Microphone and make sure it is turned on. This setting allows apps installed on your computer to request and use microphone access. If it is off, software that depends on voice input may fail to detect any sound at all. Next, scroll down a little further and click on Let Desktop Apps Access Your Microphone. Make sure this option is also turned on. This is especially important for desktop applications like Zoom because they may rely on this separate permission setting. Even if general app access is enabled, Zoom can still run into audio problems if desktop app access is disabled. After updating these settings, return to Zoom and test your audio again. In many cases, enabling these microphone permissions resolves the problem right away. If the issue continues, it can also help to close and reopen Zoom so the app refreshes its access to your microphone. That's it. You've now checked the key privacy settings that often cause audio problems in Zoom meetings.